Hello, everybody. If you were absent on Monday or you're learning from home today, here's what you need to get done for U.S. Studies. So your warm-up question today says, which country controlled Mexico before they gained their independence? And how was Mexico doing after they gained their independence? So make sure you answer your warm-up question. And then the first thing you're going to do today is, instead of a flip grid for this role play, you're going to create a slide to represent your role. So only the ones for your hour should show up, but if they don't, pick the link that matches your hour and you'll open it up. When you open it up, it'll look like this. And the directions say, fill in the blanks to explain your role's opinion on whether or not Mexico should sell the Northern Territories. And then step number 2 is to add a picture that represents your role. So you can just take the picture from your perspective writing assignment from Thursday, if that's easiest. You'll see here that each one of you, your first name is added to a slide with the role that you were assigned on Thursday. So you'll see that you'll have to scroll through and find your name. Okay, so then when you find your name, you'll see that this is where you'll put the picture, and here's where you'll fill in the blanks. So I think Mexico should blank their land. So that would be, I think Mexico should not sell their land, or I think Mexico should sell their land. It's based on what you wrote in your perspective writing on Thursday. Then these 3 blanks are the 3 reasons to support your answer as to why they should or should not sell their land. Right? You want to make sure that you add these details, because then other people are going to be looking at the slides to learn about your role's perspective. Okay? After you finish your slide, then you are going to go back to the Monday folder and you're going to work on the other arguments tracker. So when you open that up for you, it's going to say My Document, and you'll open it up and it looks like this. And it says Mexican-American War Role Play. It says directions. As you review the other roles slides, use this sheet to help you keep track of their arguments and decide if you still want to build an alliance with them, or if you want to build an alliance with them. So you want to make sure to review one slide from each other role. So you do not have to review your own role, right? So there's 5 roles total. You want to look at the other 4. Okay, so like let's say I was Mexico president. That means I need to look for the other 4. So here's a different one for mine, Comanche Nation member. So I would type that here. Then I would review their role. So should they or should they not sell? I would put they want to sell, or they do not want the land to be sold, just based on what they wrote. And then when it says evidence, that's asking for like their reasons why they chose what they did. Okay? You're going to do that for each of the roles that are not your own. So 4 total. And then you'll answer these 2 reflection questions. It says, did any of the other roles change your mind? Why or why not? And do you want to work with any of the other roles as a team? Why or why not? Remember, you're answering both of these questions still from your role's perspective. Okay, so you're going to be answering these from your role's perspective. Okay. Once you're done with that, make sure that you submit it on Schoology, and then you'll be done with your U.S. Studies work for the day, so you can always get caught up on any missing work or anything like that. Hope you have a great rest of your day.